Hello, trader. Today I will show you how the trading bot works and what profit it will make us. Watch the video to the end, and you will know if the trading bot will make a profit. Also, subscribe to my Telegram channel. The link will be in the description. There you can start trading with my bot. Let's go to our trading session. Choose a trading pair, choose an expiry time, and open a down trade. Let's take a look at the result. Our first trade closed at plus $88. Let's move on to the next trading pair. To do this, we go into the bot, go back, select the trading pair, and select the expiry time, and then open the trade again on the downside. Let's enjoy the chart price. Our second trade closed again at plus $76. Let's not stop. Let's move on to the next trading pair. Choose an expiry time. Get a down signal and open a trade down for 1 minute. Our trade closed again at plus $92. The bot shows itself very well. It gives accurate signals. Let's move on to the next signal. Let's choose a trading pair. Choose an expiry time. We will get a down signal for 1 minute. Let's take a look at the result. Our trade has closed in profit again. Then we go to our next signal again. Select the OTC market again, then select our trading pair. Select the expiry time. Get a down signal again? Let's watch the trade. As I said, the bot works great. It gives very accurate signals. If you want to get the bot, go to Telegram channel and start trading with it. Let's move on to the next trading pair. Choose it. And open a deal. Let's watch the result. Our trade closes in the plus again. We don't stop there and move on to the next trading pair. Choose a trading pair. Find it. Choose the time and expiry. Open a trade down. Let's watch the result. Our last trade closed profitable again. This is where I want to stop and lock in my profits. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Like and comment. Go to my Telegram channel to start trading with the bot.